Hey guys, welcome to the AutoCAD 2D tutorial. You can download AutoCAD 2D from the Autodesk website, and you can always get a student version from their official website. And if you download and install the student version and if you open it up, this is what your screen will look like. So let me go ahead and explain one by one what are we looking at. So you can clearly see that the screen has been divided up into 3 to 4 parts. So I'll just get a glimpse of what those parts are. So you can see that you have the get started section over here, you have the recent document section over here, and you have the notifications and connect sections over here. On the bottom you have learn and create, and on the top you have a set of tabs which will actually help you to draw. So let's get started and let's understand what this particular tab is all about. So you have get started and you have start drawing written over here. If you click on this, then AutoCAD will automatically open up a new drawing and you can actually start working on a new drawing. At the bottom you also have templates. If you click on templates, then you can see that a lot of templates pop up over here. You can select any template that you want to work in. Generally the AutoCAD ISO.dwt is the default template, so you can just leave this one selected. You also have open files. If you click on that, then you can actually open up a current file that you are working on from your computer. You have a open sheet set over here, which will allow you to open a sheet set that you have been working on your computer. You also have get more templates online, which will allow you to actually download more of these templates from the official AutoCAD website. And you also have explore sample drawings. So these are few of the options from get started. Now you have another section known as recent documents. Over here you can see that I only have one document which is showing over here. This is because I was currently working on this particular document on AutoCAD. The more documents you work on, AutoCAD will automatically create a list of documents over here, a vertical list, and you can change the way you view your recent documents from these 3 particular buttons on the bottom. So if I click on this one, you see the kind of view that I get for my recent document changes. This one has a different view. This one has also a different view. So you don't get the view, but you get some of the details. So you can change the kind of view you want for your recent documents tab, and if you click on it, it will just open up the recent document that you were working on. Now you have the notifications and connect tab over here. For the notifications you have a lot of options, some new notifications from Autodesk which will allow you to keep yourself updated regarding the AutoCAD software. And on the bottom over here you have connect, which says sign into your account. You can actually access your AutoCAD account, and you can get more recent notifications from Autodesk. And you also have send feedback, through which you can actually send some valuable feedback back to Autodesk if your AutoCAD crashes or if some mishap happens. On the bottom you have the learn tab. Now let's click on learn. If you do so, you'll see that you have a lot of getting started videos and what's new in AutoCAD 2020. You also have some learning tips and some online resources. You can go ahead and explore all of these because these are free resources, and these particular videos are generic videos. They are not targeted towards either architecture or interior design or product design. They are generic videos for a generic AutoCAD user. You can go ahead and see these and they will actually help you gather some knowledge. Now if we go back to our create tab, and if we click on start drawing, it will actually open up a new drawing in this particular manner. So now you see that I've opened up a new drawing in AutoCAD, and all the top tabs over here, draw, modify, annotation, and so on, they are all visible. I also have a lot of things on the bottom. So now let's go ahead and understand how the interface of AutoCAD 2020 works.